Follow these 4 steps to make him miss you like never before. Although love is fun, sometimes you wish that your boyfriend missed you more. When both persons get into the missing groove, then their bond might get stronger and they might start valuing each other more. All right, let's get started. This video will show you 4 very simple steps that will make him miss you more than ever. Number 1. Spend less time with him. Love and friendship depend on how 2 people treat each other. Such ways in which they treat each other make bonds stronger and deeper. Having fun together is great, but making each other miss each other might make your love stronger at times. Having less time with your friend or partner makes them miss you immensely. This point discusses why that might be a good idea. Firstly, clearing the space. You and your best friend can again engage in doing whatever interests you both when you are less available to each other. And that helps you remain happy and interesting. The times when you do see a lot of each other are that much more special and fun when you do not see much of each other. And then surprise and suspense. People love finding special things that are difficult to achieve. If you spend less time with your special someone, it will make them curious and interested in you, since they will miss you and the fun things you two share together. As the old saying says, when you're away, the heart starts to miss you more. Third, appreciation and thought. Spend less time with him so that you can both think about how much you like each other. Being separated will make him realize how important you are to him and how happy you make him to live with. Whenever he will see you, he will want to spend more time together because he will miss you and find that he cannot live without you. Appreciation will make your relationship strong and happy. Fourth, mental reset. Hangout breaks refresh people's minds. It keeps them from doing the same things repeatedly and helps recharge their thoughts. When you are back to see each other again, your link can be very strong. This makes the love initially felt when you first met come back into your life, making your relationship better. Being separated sometimes is good, but you must discuss it with your partner. Honest talks are very important so that both feel okay with seeing each other less. It's key to find a balance between having space and being close on an emotional level. The concept of being away in order to make your spouse miss you uses the way people think and feel when you're not around. Both of you will miss each other more, and this will make the bond stronger. Giving each other space makes things interesting and helps you enjoy being together more. This method can make your bond even stronger than before. Number 2, don't leave other stuff. Just for him. It's good to take care of your partner and pass time with them, but maintaining your individual interest and hobby is important. Spending lonely times means making the other person miss you more. This will further make your friendship stronger and more communicative. You find new things outside of this relationship and become more interesting and better as a person. This makes your partner even more attracted to being with you. Another thing is a mix between really liking the other person and doing things on your own. You should never spend all your free time with the other person. You should have friends, your work, and hobbies to like doing. By having your own life, you will be happy, as will your relationship. If we are not always with our partner, they will surely miss us more. When the space is given, it makes the time we spend even better. When there's our life outside the relationship, it gives a sign that we respect ourselves and want a healthy partnership. This makes the partner value us more too. This will give us some interesting things to talk about with our partner, which is sure to keep the connection interesting and full of love. To make your partner miss you more, it's good to find a mix between being together and being independent. That way, respect each other, hold better conversations, and love each other more. Number 3, give him simple reminders of you. When you care about someone, you want that person to miss you when you are not together with him. Do some things that would remind him of you so that he wishes you were together. Here are 4 ways to leave hints and have him miss you more. First, smell. Our sense of smell is what allows us to remember things that happened in our brains. Leave your scent on your clothes, on a pillow, or something special. He will think about you when he smells you and will really miss you until the next time that you two meet. Scribbled notes. We use our mobile phones and computers, but then the old-style handwritten letter is really special. Let's write a love note for him to read afterwards. He will appreciate what you have put into this. He will think about the message and miss your love. Third, thoughtful gifts. Give a little gift to your special person that has some special meaning to you as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be something big or expensive. Even just the smallest little thing or your man's favorite snack will do. Every time he sees or uses the gift, he will smile and remember the love you share. Fourth, digital notes. Again, remind him of you through technology too. Here is a cute text, a funny picture, or even a sweet-sounding message. It will brighten his day and remind him that he has you on his mind. The memories will pop up on his phone whenever he feels like he misses you. Leaving little things that remind him of you is a very effective way of making him miss you and keeping your love strong. These can either be done in the form of smells, notes, gifts, online messages, or shared activities. All these create ripples in the thoughts that are associated with your love. The more you leave small things reminding him of you, the more he will be thinking of you. Number 4. Plan romantic date nights. This point explains planning perfect date nights and how it works to make him miss you. You can solicit help from him to miss you more at special times and lovely events. Sweet and well-thought-out dates help in bringing the couple closer, making happy memories, and keeping the love alive. First, surprise and joy. Plan fun dates with surprises to make your love life interesting. Surprises make it interesting, and your partner cannot wait to see you. Think of new and cool ideas for dates so that your love story will feel like an adventure. This is another great aspect: valuable time and emotional connection. Date nights allow you to spend quality time without any distractions around you. Talk to each other, discuss ideas, and have fun. This way, you will both make memories and feel emotionally close to one another. Third, romantic times. Make a date night feel magical with beautiful settings. Use soft lights, lovely music, and nice arrangements. Enjoy a romantic meal, a starry picnic, or a sweet movie night at home. These sweet times will make him miss being close to you. Fourth, do new things. The same thing is boring if repeated over and over. Therefore, incorporate some fun into the dinner nights by trying out new things. Eat new food, start a new hobby, or go out to visit new places together. That makes your love life interesting. Fifth, special actions. Do things that mean much to your partner on date night. Plan things that he likes a lot. Get tickets for his favorite band or go to his dream places. Show that you care for what he likes, and he'll miss the special link when you are apart. Having sweet date nights can make him miss you and grow love for you. Surprise, spending time together, fun activities, doing things for each other, and togetherness bring your partner really close. It makes your love strong, and he cannot wait for the next date night with you. It is a must to let him see that you care by giving thought and love into those moments that he'll never forget. Follow these 4 steps to make a super close bond and have him dream of being with you always. Don't forget, the trick is making the love story better, not playing with feelings. Have fun making him miss you and building a sweet, caring friendship. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more interesting material, and drop a comment below. So, let's keep the good times rolling.